Hey everybody, it's your girl Chanel, and today I'm here with another video. The way I do, but I like it. Look at all these socks flying, but I'm still indecisive. And she want me to wipe it, but I shouldn't be doing this. But here we go. Okay, so this video, I'm just gonna jump right into it. This is after the fact. I started the video, but I just want to make this intro. So get ready with me. A chit chat, get ready with me. I talk about a whole bunch of stuff, and yeah, my lips look dry. We're gonna do it like that. Period. You guys probably watching stuff on my channel like, so what type of stuff is she gonna post? Because she posts different stuff every time. And yup, that's right. I don't think I'm going to finish in 15 minutes, but that's okay. I'll just somewhat finish. Ooh, y'all see the muscles? Ooh, wow. This. Yes, I curl my hair with a flat iron. I like the way the curls come out better. They look nicer than a wand. Oh, actually, no. I just don't feel like my hair is long enough to do it with the wand. With the one I have. If I had a skinnier one, I could do it because I know I can. But I just wish my wand size was a little bit smaller. I only got one size, so. It's kind of dry in here. Let me put on some music. I'm going to like speed up soon because I'm going to get copyrighted, but I'm like talking to myself. Over here trying to make a thumbnail. Let me stop. Yeah. Oh, it's a. And I get copyrighted. Actually, I thought of this video last minute, so this video is going to look. This video is going to look last minute, but that's okay because I do it for y'all. But let's see. I feel like I have like a topic to talk about. I don't know. This is gonna be a chit chat, get ready with me because I'm sure there's gonna be people talking about you can get those curls with the curling wire. Yeah. Okay, well I can never accomplish that, and I like it to where it's straight and like the ends. I'm just pulling from random spots, and where the ends are like curled. So I don't want to hear it because I don't care. I like the way I do it with the flat iron. I can never get it like this with any other heating utensil. So I'm going to continue to do this. Period. Let me stop. This is probably going to be like the most uncut video I will post. I'm sure like I'll cut down some, but I'm not gonna like, I don't think I'll edit anything out. Only thing I'll do is like make the music sound different so I won't get copyrighted. But I like, so in the morning when I wake up I sound like a man, like really bad. Like it's just not good at all, right? So tell me why. Last week, Friday,
I had to do a presentation for the class, right? And it was in the morning. It was the first class in the morning. And I was all presented like marrying for love. It's, like I sounded like a whole dude. Like that's not cute. But you know, and then, like, I don't care. Like, is my voice as well? Cause like I'm still a baddie. Period. Oh, whoa! Somebody come at me. I feel like a dead pigeon. This I keep getting tangled. But I know y'all see that, right? Look, come on, flip on through. Oh, that is pretty. So in the industry like that, normally I just take the flat iron and just like, we ain't got time for no tutorial. Y'all just gonna see how I do it and you have to learn. And if you don't wanna learn, then you could just look. If you don't wanna look, you can just listen. Anyway, y'all, I sound like a whole dude. So, normally when I curl my hair in the morning, it looks nice. Even when I rush, it looks nice. I'm not feeling it. Maybe let me do the whole head. So I could. Then I'm putting curly hair up to the side. That's not supposed to happen, but it's okay. Oh, that was too much hair. Let me check the time because, oh, I got 10 minutes to finish this. I think it's doable. I think it's doable. I think I can do it. Maybe I should speed it up to when I'm done. Oh, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna speed it up to when I'm done so y'all can see. So it's 6:19 right now, and I'm supposed to be done at 6:30. So I'm gonna speed it up, and then I'm gonna come back when I finish. I'm gonna start talking when I finish, and you gonna tell me if I'm gonna tell y'all if I met the 10 minutes ago. The way I'm recurling this piece, I'm not going to. But yeah.
Pick your poison, you can follow me. You can run and hide, but you can never find a way. Like a crystal ball, I see everything. Got me on your mind. And I've seen it all from time ago.
Okay, so 6:31. Actually, I finished on time. I just don't like it. Like, I don't know. Normally, when I do my hair, it looks nicer than this. So I'm gonna keep curling it to my satisfaction because I don't like it. Like, normally. Like, what is this? I gotta make sure in this mirror I got that all the pieces are straight. So like this right here, where's that? This right here, I'm about to recurl. I'm about to separate the curls and I'll leave more curls. Curls and then recurl it. Get the end and then you curl up. I don't think you guys can hear that, but in the video, 20 minutes long. But when I edit it, I'm sure. I'm sure it'll be shorter than that. Okay, you know what? It's over. We're gonna make sure we get these edges a little bit straighter. So if that means we gotta burn the forehead, we gotta burn the forehead. After that, I'm not touching it anymore. And we're gonna take this, tuck it right behind the ear. I always tuck my behind my ear. That's just a habit I've always had. Okay, so it's like a loose curl. Oh, that doesn't look that bad. Okay. We're done with that. Let me clean this up. Because little boys' hair is sideways. They just not staying down. But I was leaving hair in front of my face like I can't do this. I don't like this. That doesn't look cute. This looks nice. Okay, so you gonna roll this fire. Hello, sorry if I scared you with my looks, but I'm editing this video and I did not like my hair, so when I got to school I put it in a low messy bun and it actually looked cute, because that was not cute, but I figured why not edit this video because I don't know. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Say it one more time.
Click the bell button so you'll never miss a video.
Period. What he said.
The way you do